Alright, and good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is Mike, the FX boss. Not your boss. Not your boss. Yeah, no camera today, I'm sorry, it's not working, right? Yeah. I'm going to work. It's OBS sometimes, you know, it's the sometimes works, sometimes doesn't work. No, tomorrow. Alright. Alright everybody, never forget, this is the Professional Forex Trading Course 101. Alright, it's suitable for beginner traders if you, as a beginner, want to become a professional trader, working for yourself, a funded trader, you know. You want to get funded by maybe trading.com or Darwin Zero or maybe others, right? Or maybe a hedge fund trader, you know, work for Morris Capital Australia, maybe Dukascopy, you know, who knows, right? If you can do good, you know, doors are going to open to you. And of course, never forget, you're going to graduate from this course when you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Number 2, you have a strategy in place. We're going to work on this one today too. You have a complete understanding how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. Risk disclaimer: this stream it's not trading or investing advice. This stream it's for educational purposes only. Alright, and for questions and homeworks you have the Gmail, and for the manual, you know, and this Saturday we have the Fibonacci Mastery, right? Fibonacci Mastery this Saturday. Alright, if you're in the Forex course too, you know, then it's for free. Alright, why for free? It says 70% off, because I told Melissa, that's why, you know. Alright, we're trying to help you, not steal from you. We're trying to help you, but the price, it's a filter, right? The price, it's a filter between a wish and a goal. I'm going to put this in my new book. And alright everybody, bullish candlestick formations in an uptrend. So this is the manual. This is the daily trading desk. It's for free for you if you are with our partners. And bullish candlestick formation in an uptrend. Alright everybody, in the meantime I'm going to read from the manual. In the meantime, type in the chat a currency pair and a time frame. Yesterday was GBP USD 1 hour chart. So Forex course 101 strategy forming concept. If we used to use candlestick formation as an entry signal and we have a counter trendline break but not candlestick formation, we should not enter. Alright, strategy forming. If we choose to use candlestick formation plus counter trendline break in our strategy, we need to see both in order to enter the market. Alright, and alright, hello Sorata, how are you? Sorata, where are you from? Tomorrow, if I have time tomorrow, I'm going to give you an announcement tomorrow. Do you see the picture, everybody? Pay attention in here. Alright, just because you have two higher highs, just because you have two highs and the second is a higher high, and two lows and the second is a higher low, this doesn't mean, you know, that you can enter. Right, this is the relevant high. Homework. Alright everybody, type in the chat a currency pair and a time frame. So we are moving forward. Alright, and similarly to yesterday, we are going to do another trading exercise. So testing the strategy. All right, example. All right. Number one, I am going to buy. I'm going to buy the market wave. I'm going to trade the market wave pattern. Somebody else is going to have 1 point. So those are not points, right? Example. Somebody's going to say, I'm going to trade the market wave. Somebody's going to say, I am going to trade the STT short-term trend. And somebody, I am going to trade candlestick formations. All right, now entry rules. I will enter with counter trend line break plus candlestick formation plus past support. All right, and number two, stop loss goes on the pattern traded. Alright everybody, this is going to be a little bit more complex lesson. Alright, so it's worth downloading from Dukascopy Academy YouTube channel. Alright, type in the chat a currency pair and a time frame. Alright? We are going to use candlestick formation as an entry signal, but we are going to experiment, we're experimenting. We are going to use candlestick formation as a timing tool, but trading different patterns. Let's see how it goes, right? YouTubers too, please, students on YouTube, type in the chat a currency pair that you want to see. We can check the time frame, but it should be in an uptrend, right? You can choose between Canada JPY, Euro JPY. Well, GBP USD was yesterday. Euro New Zealand, Euro AUD. Alright, what else? Euro CAD maybe not. So type in the chat everybody, or simply type in the chat the currency pair that is making you headaches. So choose between Euro AUD, Euro NZD, what else? Canada JPY, Euro JPY. Alright, JPY, NZD JPY, maybe AUD JPY. Most of the M pairs are in the uptrend. Euro JPY, NZD, maybe USD JPY, okay, sure. But not right now, right? USD JPY. James, NZD CAT is in a downtrend. Alright. Try to find a pair in a downtrend. I mean in an uptrend. I remember Euro AUD is in an uptrend, Euro NZD it's in an uptrend, Canada JPY it's in an uptrend, Euro JPY it's in an uptrend, NZD JPY it's in an uptrend, AUD JPY it's in an uptrend, USD JPY we're going to go back in time. GBP JPY too. GBP JPY, GBP JPY, right? Euro JPY. YouTubers, do you agree? Euro JPY this time? Clown chart, Euro JPY. And we're going to go on the daily. Is it okay, everybody? Euro JPY. Look at this uptrend, right? I'm going to go on the weekly chart, just to chart first. So we are going to take a look, everybody, from here to here. Alright, Euro AUD. Let's compare, Broto says, clone chart. Let's compare Euro AUD. Euro, alright, all good too. Alright, good. Euro AUD, very good. Yes, okay, if we have time, we're going to do both, right? Alright, everybody, Euro AUD, market wave, right? So, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension so far, alright? And yellow and transparency and like this. And now we are going to, so the reason to buy Euro AUD is the downtrend line break. Alright, something like this, downtrend line break. And now we are going to go on the daily chart. Daily chart. Okay, and we are here, right? We are here. Alright, now this is from the daily, okay? Weekly, daily, give me a second, everybody. Short-term downtrend, so which one is the lower low? Still this a lower low? Give me a second. And give me a second, everybody. Widget, which one is lower? So 1525, 15257, 15255. So this is the lowest low, right? Alright. That's the lowest low. Okay, now I'm going to delete the downtrend line, everybody, and I'm going to get this one out. So far, do we agree that if this would be the case, that this would be the uptrend line? So we are monitoring the daily chart, alright? And remember, this is going to be the strategy, alright? This is going to be the out this one, out this one, out this one. And get out of this one too. Testing the strategy. I'm going to trade the market wave pattern. Somebody else is going to trade the short-term trend. Somebody else is going to trade the candlestick formations. And we're going to enter with the counter trend line break plus candlestick formation plus at past support. Stop loss goes on the pattern traded. We are going to use the candlestick formation as a timing tool but trading different patterns, right? So if I do like this, now remember what makes the extension, retracement extension is the change in the short-term trend, agreed? So we are here and we're monitoring highs and lows. So low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low. and monitoring with lower, monitoring the market, monitoring, there you go. Do we agree, everybody, that the market start making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows from here? So this trend line stays. This is Forex course 101 talking about trend lines. This trend line stays like this until the market, if the market makes a higher high, right? So here we are, and if this would be the case, I'm going to color code this in red and make it smaller, and I'm going to color code this in red and make it smaller, and the red, there you go. All right, so we are monitoring now here. All right, and we are waiting. 1, 2, 3, bam. All right, now we have a counter trend line break in here. All right, do we have candlestick formations, and is this counter trend line break and candlestick formation happening at some past support? What would you say? So from a strategy perspective, is this an entry or not? Hello Melissa. Melissa says I agree. Melissa, did you receive the Fibonacci Mastery Manual? And please connect on Skype, because the sessions are going to be on Skype. It doesn't really matter, Zoom or Skype. I need to upload, you know, the recordings. Yes, okay, very good. All right, everybody, so in this case, right, we have 3 different traders trading 3 different patterns, right? Same entry, right? Now, number one, where is the bullish? Bullish candlestick formation, it's kind of maybe this one, right? Everybody, are you studying the candlestick formations? So, the first one it's on me, the next one it's on you, everybody, right? So the trader who enters trading the candlestick formation, all right, is going to go, so this is going to be the entry, and goes 1 for 1, right? So this is going to be 1. The trader who is trading the short-term trend, the red one, then same entry, but stop loss goes below the relevant low. Don't mix apples with bananas, right? This is still black, background color orange, alright, so this is going to be 1 per 2, alright, 1 per 2, one more, clone, there you go. The first one it's on me, right? And the trader who is trading the market wave, it's going to be same entry, but the stop loss goes down to here. See, everybody, the market wave. And background color, green maybe to change, green, blue, right, blue, this one. Boss, why are we doing this? for you to see how it works and for you to decide maybe what are you going to do in terms of your strategy. Alright, everybody? Yes, that's the market wave. Extension, retracement so far. We've learned all of this. Market wave, uptrend, extension, downtrend, retracement, next push up leg, right? The next extension. Alright, let's zoom in and let's see how this is going to go. The trader who traded the candlestick formations one for one, bam, hit the target, you know, so profit taking up in here. Let's put this in green like this. Now let's see, let's wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so talking about the short-term trend, that's the high, that's the low, that's the high again, right? And we're waiting, right? Now next one, and I need this one, right? Next one, maybe, just maybe. So not a counter trend line break, bam, there you go. So here is the next one, candlestick formations, right? 1, 2, 3. Now this is theory, right? From the manual, that's theory. This is the live market. Yeah, I would say I would take those two in consideration, and I would say, well, this is kind of the bullish shooting star. You don't need to know the name, but I would say those two, and maybe 1, 2, 3, right? So it's bullish morning star because indecision candle in between, small body, a little bit bigger, you know, and it's maybe it's a mix, right? It's a mix between the bullish shooting star and the bullish morning star. And then the market explodes, right? Bam! All right. So from the strategy, market closed up in here. So that's the stop loss, clone. That's the stop loss down here, and clone up to here, right? The trader who is trading the short-term trend. So I said the next one, it's on you, right? Everybody, the trader who is trading the short-term trend, where is the correct stop loss? Is this the correct stop loss? It's the upper, the correct stop loss, or the lower? Which one is the correct stop loss? Upper line, upper red line, or lower red line? Everybody, I need to take something. In the meantime, type in the chat, YouTubers too, which one is the correct stop loss if I'm trading the pattern called the short-term uptrend? Alright, I'm back. Melissa, high red line. Broto, upper line. Oh, yes, very good, excellent. What about, so this is the first one, so congratulations to you, everybody. It's clone, right? So same entry, stop loss down to here, and clone. 1 per 2, 1 per 2, 1 per 2. And what about the market wave? What about the market wave, everybody? Give me a second. We've entered here on the second one, right? What about the market wave? Is the upper line the correct one, or is the lower red line the correct one? What about the market wave? This time it is right or wrong. Stop loss goes on the pattern traded. Everybody, in the Forex course too, we get more specific, but you must understand you have two variables, and it's all good news. You know, the first one it's a little bit more simpler, the next one it's a little bit more complex, but not that much. We get paid as traders if we get our direction right. You might not understand this yet, but we get paid if we can get our direction right. This is the easy one. A little bit more complex is I need to have my stop loss in the appropriate place, because if I get the direction right but the stop loss it's in the wrong place, you know, 7 times out of 10 I can go to the bank and withdraw the money. Lower, second, finally get its shortened trend versus markets. Wow, nice. Which one is the second, the upper or the lower? The upper or the lower? Yeah, maybe next week I need to talk to our captain. Maybe next week we're going to have another, it's not going to be a class, it's going to be just trading. Lower. Wrong answer. Broto and Melissa, wrong answer. Don't bother, this is how we learn. Why? Is this high, look at the circle, is the second circle, is the circle on the right a higher high, or is the circle on the right a lower high? Market wave theory and concepts, we've learned all of this. We've learned all of this, so this is the short-term trend example, right? And you say, all right, now this is the up market wave leg, right? This is the up market wave leg. And if you enter in, so the short-term trend starts to making higher highs, higher lows. This is the next extension, right? But the stop loss goes down to here because the market didn't confirm the next extension yet. We've learned all of this. If you are new, ask for the manual, alright? As soon as possible, the market on the short-term trend makes a higher high, like this one. This confirms this relevant low, alright, on the market wave, so this becomes the new stop loss. But why? because the stop loss goes on the pattern traded, and we have a rule where is the place that is going to violate the pattern. So if the market starts falling from up in here like this, this is the low, that's the area that is going to violate the pattern. Can you see it, everybody? The yellow one. Not down in here, up in here. Broto, got it. Melissa says, yeah, but I don't know if it's confirmed. As soon as possible, the market makes a hard high for 1 pip. You need to change the stop loss. Make sense, everybody? Because now this is the new up leg, up extension leg, and this then becomes the relevant low. All right. See how it's easy to do the wrong things, have the stop loss in the wrong place, therefore not to make money consistently. All right, so we have, again, one more time, we have the third trader, clone, which is trading the monthly, the market wave. So same entry, but this time is going to have, this is the correct stop loss, and clone, hopefully it's not going to be too polluted, the chart. Roger, thank you, you're welcome. Melissa didn't send me the dates, I mean the days and the hours where you want to have the class. Alright everybody, this is the entry. Let's see how this is going to play out. We are entering with bullish candlestick formations as a timing tool, but we are trading 3 different patterns. Your job today is to figure out which pattern you feel more comfortable with, alright? No, those are not the same. They are quite different, right? So let's see how the market responds. Sideways consolidation. Remember, this is the daily chart. Consolidation up and going down, going up, and moving forward. Bam! Did the market hit our... Not sure. Give me a second. Give me a second. Like this, and maybe blue. Did the market hit our take profit? Alright, so the trader trading candlestick formations for the second time. Winner, right? I did not see a link for the hours yet. There is no link, Melissa. Just choose. It's up to you, alright? Any day and any time. Don't worry. Yes, Saturday, Sunday too. Alright, you can say, alright, I would like to have class Monday and Friday, or Monday and Sunday, or Tuesday and Wednesday. Alright? Whatever the time, sure. Alright everybody, so, and talking about the entry, right? Did we have another one here? Counter trend line break. Counter trend line break in here too. Thank you, you're welcome. So here, counter trend line break, right everybody? Now, some of you would not enter in here because you would say, oh, everybody listen up, listen up, listen up. From experience, alright? From experience, students don't enter this entry. Now this is Forex course 202 conversation. We are trying to get into a habit It's called signal entry, signal entry, signal entry. Alright, signal entry. So you have a black and white strategy, I mean a strategy with black and white rules, not subject to interpretation. This is a bullish candlestick formation, is the bullish piercing line, alright? You don't need to even know the name, doesn't matter. This is a bullish candlestick formation, but you would not enter because you get scared here. Oh, it's bearish pressure. It's bearish pressure, so I'm not going to enter. Alright? This skill, it's emotional, it's not technical. And the market most likely went up. I said, oh, why didn't you enter? Oh, but it was bearish pressure. The strategy is not saying anything about bullish, bearish pressure. It says bullish candlestick formation, and you have it, plus counter trendline break, and you have it. Forex course 2 conversation. When you don't enter in here and the market gives you money, we as traders, Forex course 2, we as traders, we are guilty, make sense? We are guilty of the trader's error, not a trading error. This is a trader's error. Alright? So, just to speed up a little bit, everybody, the trader who is trading the candlestick formation, entry is going to be here to here, and maybe good news, maybe he's going to profit take already, not yet, alright. The trader who is trading the short-term trend, let's continue. So extension, retracement, extension, right? Up and down, retracement. Which, this is a good example, everybody. What stop loss is the correct stop loss on the short-term trend? The upper red line. Let's see how smart you are. The upper red line or the lower red line is the correct stop loss on the uptrend. I'm going to help you. It's the same mentality when we talked about the market wave. Where is the level that is going to violate the pattern? Upper red line or lower red line? Hello boss, this is my first time. If this is your first time, please go to Dukascopy YouTube webinar page, Dukascopy Academy. You click on playlist and start to watch lesson number 1 from full systematic Forex course or professional traders course 2023. Those two are the same. I mean, this is updated, right? Every year. Updated. Alright. There you go. Lower red line. Congratulations. Very good, excellent. Proud of you, Melissa. So, clone. Same entry, right? Same entry. This is now the stop loss. And clone. Up in here and clone up in here, 1 per 2. And the market wave, same stop loss, everybody, do you see it? This is the relevant low from the market wave, still relevant low, relevant high, relevant low, and now we are moving up. So the stop loss on the market wave is going to be the same, and give me a second, clone. So same entry, but stop loss down to here, still down to here. Alright, my bad, what I forgot to tell you, when the market wave, this is good news, when the market wave goes up and confirms the new high, you readjust the stop loss, everybody, make sense? My bad, I forgot. So the first trade that was done, the stop loss was below in here. Now the market will confirm the new extension. You lower your stop loss down to here, alright? Alright. So third entry, right? Third entry. This is going to be the stop loss, and we go 1 per 2. 1 per 2. Hopefully it's not too polluted, the chart. Let's see how the third trade is going to play out. And almost there, bam. The trader profit take, right? The trader who was trading the candlestick formation got in profit. Everybody, we need to speed up, right? But so let's see how the market goes, right? And this is the market going up and down, all right? Let's see the market. So the market wave, it's up in here now, right? The market wave is up in here. So let's see, and up and down. Let's see, up and down. So we are here right now, right? All right, now let's do like this. So when the market came up to here, whoops, when the market got up to here, the first trade of the trader who was trading the short-term uptrend got hit, profit take. Can you see it, everybody? This one, the red one, 1 per 2. Alright, can you see it? So let's clean up, Okay, so candlestick formations 1 per 1, looks like it's working. The trader got 3 entries, got 3 times profitable. Short-term trend trading 1 per 2, the market got up in here, this one got hit. We're going to clean it up. And maybe, almost those two, right? Almost. So we can clean this up. And talking about the market wave, right? Extension, retracement, extension. See, everybody? So far, right? So what do you think? Everybody feedback. Hedge fund trader Broto, hedge fund trader Melissa, hedge fund trader James. What pattern do you like most? Do you prefer? Do you see yourself trading relaxed the market wave? But as you can see, the market wave, it takes a long time. Takes a long time to profit take. No, there is no right or wrong. Those are just different patterns. Do you see yourself trading short-term trends, 1 per 2? Or do you see yourself trading candlestick formations on the daily chart example as a tradable pattern. Moving stop, sure, too. Moving the stop on the market wave. Boss, can I trade the market wave and risk 1 per 1? Yes, you can. There is no right or wrong. Yes, you can. We were just testing, everybody, makes sense? We are doing different experiments, if you want, for a lack of a better word. You know, yesterday it was GBP USD, didn't work that much, didn't work well. Today, Euro AUD on the daily chart, totally different story. I mean, it says market wave and the shortened trends, very good. Everybody, can you do this? Can you do this? So until tomorrow, homework. Until tomorrow, HW homework, decide and write down the rule on how are you going to use the candlestick formations, all right, as a timing tool and or as a tradable pattern. All right, everybody, tomorrow I want to hear from you. Decide and write down the rule on how you're going to use the candlestick formations. You can say, all right, I'm going to enter with the bullish candlestick formation in an uptrend and bearish in a downtrend. Or you can say, all right, I'm going to trade bullish and bearish candlestick formation from the monthly chart, from the daily chart, from the weekly chart, all right? And try not to complicate too much. Could be something as simple, right? Could be something as simple as this. No, there is no right or wrong. Whatever you prefer. Whatever you prefer. All right? Everybody, trading is a learnable skill. Can you do this? Can you understand that the stop loss goes on the pattern traded? Can you understand this pen and paper that we are getting paid when we get our direction right? And we are getting paid when the stop loss is in the appropriate place, in the right place? Can you understand this, everybody? And this is a learnable skill. Alright? Alright, everybody, see you back tomorrow. Until tomorrow, stay strong and trade like a boss. Remember, you are the boss of your account. Your account, it's not a joke. Even if it's demo, it's not a joke. It's a business. Alright, see you tomorrow.